Hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to go through my Petit Vour box for December 2022, the last one of the year. I did get this a little before Christmas, or did I get it Christmas Eve? I think this arrived on Christmas Eve, just so you know around what time it shipped, and let's go ahead and check it out. Here's the box, or the card for this month. Joyful, kind of cute, kind of plain, kind of bland, but not the worst. We're getting 4 items this month. So the first one is from Earth Harbor. It's the Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil. So I'm not even gonna bother with reading the ingredients. A cleansing oil is something I will happily use even if there's fragrance, since it's going to be washed off anyway. But we have to take it out and look at it because the Earth Harbor products are always a fun color. So let's see which one this is. Ooh, this is like a golden yellow color. That's really cool, like that. Let's go ahead and read about it. So this is a $24 value for 2 ounces. Sweet tropical sunshine and silky dewdrops sail smoothly across your face, removing impurities, pollution, and makeup. Antioxidant-rich oils infused with sea kelp and papaya enzymes will arouse your senses while profoundly cleansing and softening your complexion. That was a very fancy sounding description to say it'll clean your makeup off. So I never just single cleanse when it comes to an oil or balm. I always double cleanse, so I wouldn't really rely on whatever the sea kelp and papaya enzymes claim they're going to do. It's not going to be on your face long enough to do it. That said, always happy to try a new cleansing product, and Earth Harbor is always pretty fun. What I will say though is their product is not, the packaging is not really great for the fact that your hands are going to be oily and you may need to go back in for a double dip. Since it's glass, that could get a little dangerous. That said, it is better for the planet for it to be in glass, so gives and takes. I'm excited to try it. The next product is from Axiology, I think. I follow this brand. I've been very interested in them. I just haven't tried anything yet. And it looks like this is in the color Rosé. It's their Lip to Lid Balmy. So the whole premise is all the packaging is like recyclable or compostable or something, and you can use the products on your lids, on your cheeks, on your lips. They're like very multi-use type things. So let me bring this up and give you guys a close-up. Fran got me there if you noticed that. Yeah, there is that. And let's read about it. It's a $15 value for 0.12 ounces. Lip to Lid Balmies are plastic-free multi-use crayons for lips, eyes, and cheeks, packed with oils, butters, and antioxidants such as hemp and plum oil to nourish and hydrate skin. 100% zero waste, wrapped in recycled paper and stored in a recyclable carrying case. That said, I would not call this a carrying case just by the ease in which it opens. I would definitely suggest keeping this product at home. This is going to get everywhere if you put it in a purse. Let's go ahead and swatch the color. I'm very excited. I've been wanting to try something from them. Okay, so oh, it's very mild but buildable. That's very pretty. I'm actually very excited for this color. I could see how that would look good on eyes. I was a little nervous about the whole using it on eyes thing, but I could see how that would look really nice on the eyes. Maybe in a future video I'll use this on lips, cheeks, and eyes to show you guys the full shebang. The next item is from 3 Ships, and this is the Radiance Grape Stem Cell and Squalene Day Cream. So I've had lip products from 3 Ships, and I think I've had a face wash, but I've not had any face like leave-on products. This is a $10 value for 0.5 ounces, a fast-absorbing, lightweight, and skin-quenching formula with revolutionary grape stem cells and natural squalene derived from sugarcane. So as with all products that are meant to stay on the face, I do need to check out the ingredient list before I can give you an opinion on this. So I'll be right back in a second. So there are a few fragrant oils towards the end of this ingredient list. I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway box, which I actually pulled some stuff from my stash that I'm just really not going to get to in time to use it, and also added to the giveaway box. So the giveaway box has grown over the past few days as I've had some time on my hands to do things around the house. So very exciting, and this will be going in there too. The last item on our card here is from Odysite, and it is their Clean Ickle, there's like a dash in the word, brightening serum, $10 value for 4 milliliters, a nourishing organic blend of antioxidant rich plum oil and botanical extracts to lock in moisture and visibly improve skin's resilience for healthy, radiant look. So here's what that is. It's a small container. The ingredients are not listed on this little container, so I'm gonna have to look them up real quick and then get back to you. So there are quite a few fragrant oils in this little product. I'll be putting this in the giveaway as well. So this box was very 50-50. I hate when skincare comes with ingredients that are not beneficial to skin, so I consider both of these kind of a fail. But I am really excited to try this Axiology product because it's something I've been eyeballing for a very long time and never like just pulled the trigger to purchase. And I will always use a cleansing product. Always happy to get one. Even if they don't work out for me, always happy to try one. So, I don't know. Well, I am pretty jazzed with these. I'm very disappointed in these. But, that said, there are extras in here. So let's take a look at this. I've sent along, and these are not on the cards, so I can't give you any information about these. Evolve H, Ultra Shine, Moisture Shampoo, and Moisture Conditioner. So, I don't know if this brand is going to be any good for me, but these are freebies, and I'm happy about that. I can't be mad at a freebie. So, I'll definitely tuck these away in my travel stash to use next time we are away for a weekend. So that kind of bumps it up a little, getting a freebie. Well, I was going to give this kind of a closer to failing grade, more like a D. I'm going to give it a C, C+, since there were a freebie in here, because these are disappointing and also very small. I don't see how this tiny little vial is a $10 value. That's kind of insane. So, not the best box, but I think if you guys have been watching and keeping up with me, you've known Petit Vour has not really been hitting home runs lately. They've sort of just been phoning it in my opinion. Kinder has definitely been the better box, and Manusa's makeup's kind of been hit or miss month to month. This past month was great. That said, I still don't like hate Petit Vour. I think it's a fun box to get. I'm still gonna keep getting it, but I could see how if you aren't sharing them on the internet as a hobby, you maybe wouldn't want this one. So, let me know what you thought of this box. I know some of you don't have the same feelings on skincare and you don't mind the fragrance. Your skin doesn't react poorly to fragrance, so these products might be good for you. You know, we're all different. Let me know if you got the box. Did you like the box? If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, not video. I'm losing my mind. It's because there's something in my eye and I'm trying not to like look like a crazy person going like that. I'm just trying to get the video done. Anyway, I'm rambling now. I think we have 1 or 2 more videos before the end of the year. I think I have my empties and I'll probably put up a vlog or something. But otherwise, I hope you have a lovely new year. I hope you enjoyed the holidays if you celebrate them, or just time off if you had any time off. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye!